Tonight, millions of people will fall asleep to sound. Rain, pink noise, singing bowls, soft music through a single earbud. And most of them believe it's doing something to their brain. So we did what almost no one does before pressing play. We read the systematic reviews. Here's what actually happens inside your head during a sound healing sleep session. Start with the part that is not up for debate. When the right sound reaches a sleeping brain, your brainwaves change. Not as a metaphor, on the EEG, in real time. During your deepest sleep, your brain produces slow oscillations, huge rolling waves, about 1 per second. And researchers found something remarkable. If you play a short, soft burst of pink noise, timed to the exact rising edge of one of those waves, the wave grows. The brain answers the sound. In closed-loop studies, this locked onto the brain's own rhythm and drove trains of larger, deeper, slow waves. Nature Communications, 2017. That is the first thing sound is doing up there. It is not relaxing you. It is entraining you. The second effect shows up across the reviews. More time in deep sleep. In controlled studies, phase-timed pink noise increased slow oscillation power and raised the proportion of N3, the deepest stage. Sleep and Breathing, 2020. More of the sleep that repairs the body, that clears the brain, that you actually feel the next morning. And it lines up with sleep spindles, too, the fast little burst tied to how the night knits memory together. Sleep, 2021 meta-analysis. The third effect is the one you feel. You just sleep better. A meta-analysis of music-assisted relaxation found a moderate improvement in sleep quality for people with sleep complaints. Journal Advanced Nursing. Another review focused on adults with mental health struggles found a moderate effect on subjective sleep quality. European Psychiatry, 2024. And a 2026 review specifically on sound healing, singing bowls, music therapy, ambient soundscapes, pointed to the same two engines underneath: relaxation and brainwave entrainment. Biological Rhythm Research, 2026. So far, this sounds like a miracle. Here's the part the miracle frequency channels leave out. The brainwaves change, that is real, and it replicates. But the promised payoff, sharper memory the next day, does not always follow. One careful study enhanced slow waves and spindles beautifully, and then found no difference in memory versus the fake stimulation. eNeuro, 2019. A 2023 replicability review of this whole field said the same thing. The effect on memory is fragile, and it does not reliably reproduce. Frontiers in Sleep, 2023. So here is the honest version. Sound can measurably deepen your sleep and calm the run-up to it. What it cannot promise is a specific number, a magic frequency, or a guaranteed smarter tomorrow. The strongest, cleanest effect is the simplest one. It helps you fall asleep, and it helps you stay there.
So what does this mean for the sound you press play on tonight? 3 things the evidence actually supports. 1. Gentle beats loud. The effects come from soft, low-level sound, not volume. 2. Steady beats flashy. Smooth, consistent textures like pink noise give the brain something to lock onto. 3. Your mileage will vary. The deep sleep boost is real on average. Your brain is not the average. That is the whole science, without the hype. Your brain really is listening while you sleep, just not to the promises, to the sound itself. If this was useful, tell me what you fall asleep to and what you want broken down next. Sleep well.